So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to a mobile hotspot. So the first step is to go ahead and navigate to the internet settings on your Switch. So just go ahead and launch settings. And then under system settings, look for internet and select it. The next step is to choose internet settings. Once you've done that, simply wait for it to load as it starts scanning for any internet or any networks. As it's scanning, you can go ahead and open up the mobile hotspot on your phone and just turn it on. Once you've turned on the mobile hotspot, it should then appear in the list of found networks. If it doesn't appear, then you want to press on Y on your console so that it starts scanning for the network. And then once it's been found, what you want to do is simply select it and then enter in the password for that specific network. Once you've entered it, select OK and simply wait for it to be connected. So you can see here the connection's already been established. My phone has recognized it. And now, once I load some network data on my phone, I'll now be able to use my console with my mobile hotspot. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.